Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erin. I'm a clinical aromatherapist here at Erin's Herbs. On this channel, I do weekly uploaded videos teaching you how to create your very own skincare products from the comfort of your own home. So whether or not you have never made skincare products or you have some experience, I hope that you will find this channel very informative. So let's get started creating. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this lightweight hair perfume oil that is designed to add fragrance and shine to the hair without using any alcohol-based perfumes that may dry the hair out. You only need to use a small amount to reap the benefits and get a soft scent. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you the process on how I create this. So to begin with, I'm going to be weighing out some fractionated coconut oil. This is a carrier oil that is lightweight and does not leave a greasy residue on your hair. And it's going to be very conditioning as well as sealing in moisture and helping to reduce any frizziness. Another great carrier oil that I'm using today is jojoba oil. This is great for reducing frizz and eliminating split ends, and it has been shown in some studies to promote hair growth. Now, this is going to give the hair some much needed shine, and it is very conditioning as well. Another great carrier oil that is in this formula is watermelon seed oil. Now, this is going to be great for strengthening the hair, adding shine, improving the overall health of the hair. And it's great for really giving the hair some much needed hydration and moisture. This is rich in copper as well as magnesium. To help support the hair health as well as encouraging hair growth and adding shine, I'm adding some vitamin E. This is also going to help to prolong the shelf life of the other ingredients in this formula. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and create the scent profile for this perfume oil. And I am using essential oils today because they have some added benefits for the hair. And I'm starting by adding some sweet orange essential oil. This is going to have a very nice, uplifting citrus scent to it. And it's good for the hair because it's rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, and it can help to stimulate blood circulation to the scalp, which in return can promote hair growth, and it's going to add some nice shine to the hair as well. Another great essential oil that I'm using is lavender. This has a very floral but yet hibiscus scent to it, and what it will do for the hair is it's going to help to really calm and balance sebum production on the scalp, but yet also encourage hair growth and reduce hair breakage. Lastly, I'm using cedarwood essential oil. This has a very woody and earthy aroma to it, and it's great because it can help to strengthen the hair strands. After adding the essential oils, I'm going to go ahead and remove this from the scale, and I'll be stirring this for about 60 to 90 seconds just to ensure that all of the ingredients are well combined. And then once I'm done with the stirring, I'm simply going to go ahead and pour everything into my dropper bottle here. Now, this particular formula does make 1 ounce of hair perfume oil, and you don't need to use a whole lot, as I said earlier in this video, to get results and to have a nice, pleasant scent on the hair. Again, this is going to be something that will quickly absorb into the hair, so you won't be left with any greasy residue. To use this hair perfume oil, what you're going to do is you're just going to apply a couple drops to your fingertips and then rub your fingertips together. And then you're going to start at the mid-length of your hair and work all the way down. And again, this can be used daily if you wish. As far as substitutions go, here's what I have. For the fractionated coconut oil, use more jojoba oil. With the jojoba oil, another carrier oil that is similar is going to be squalene, and that's a great choice. Now, with the watermelon seed oil, I would suggest using camellia seed oil. For essential oils, here are some that you can use that will give you the same scent profile as the one I showed in this formula. And those are going to be Yang Yang, Tangerine, and Cypress. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.